today's lunch break, we are in the kitchen with Tim Meyers. He is the Culinary and Pastry Arts Coordinator and Professor at College of DuPage, and he's helping us get ready for Thanksgiving. And what I'm so excited about is you have taken two recipes that I think people make all of the time, and you have made them even better. So we're going to start with the cranberries because, you know, unless you're one of those people that kind of like it out of a can, cranberries can be tough, but the additives you have really make it sound delicious.
Sure. So, and this is something that's very quick and easy, and we can make it a week ahead of time. So the first thing we have is some chopped fresh cranberries. Then we're going to add a little bit of sugar. And there's two ways we can make this dish. We can just mix all these ingredients together today. Little candied ginger.
Oh, a lot of candied ginger.
Little orange marmalade, and then a little Cointreau as well. A little orange liqueur.
Right.
And some fresh orange slices. So we can make this and keep it cold and leave it sit for up to a week. We just mix it all together. Or the other neat thing you could do if time's of the essence, put it in a small sauce pot, bring it to a simmer for about 2 minutes, cool it down, and you'll be good to go.
And then those cranberries all pop and
Absolutely.
they're easy to work with.
Absolutely. So once we mix this up, you can put it in the bowl, and we have it. It's very easy.
That's lovely.
It's colorful, it's bright, you get the tartness from the cranberry, a little sweetness from the orange. It's very flavorful.
That's the key. And like a nice little pop from the ginger, too. I mean, this will be a real crowd pleaser, especially for people who normally turn their nose up at cranberries. My kids are like, why do we do cranberries?
Correct.
Well, because it's a tradition. So you've made it better. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, and now let's move on to dessert.
So now for dessert, what we've done is we've gone ahead and made a pumpkin spice ginger cake. The recipe's in the menu.
Right. It's the flavor of the season, so
Correct.
everyone wants to do something pumpkin.
Pumpkin spice is extremely popular.
But why not make it better with chocolate?
Correct. We have a little milk chocolate that we melted, and actually we're going to add some cream and some gelatin. So what I've done is melted some gelatin, the cream goes in, and that's the most important step because if we just add the gelatin to chocolate, it's going to seize. So water and chocolate typically don't mix, and there's a little bit of water in with that gelatin. So we want to make sure that this is nice and hot and will melt evenly.
All right. So you add the milk in there as well.
So once we kind of mix this together, we're going to start to add our whipped cream.
So it'll be light and refreshing.
It's very
as
light.
well.
It's very refreshing. The gelatin helps give it a little bit of structure, but also makes it more manageable. We can make this a week ahead of time as well and keep it in the freezer. So we can take it out for an hour, leave it thaw.
Anything we can make in advance to try to help
Absolutely.
with Thanksgiving, I think is so perfect.
For sure. It tends to be a little stressful, so the more you get done, the less you have to do the day of.
Let's talk about taking away our stress, and that is going to the College of DuPage, because it's wonderful, I think, that you have this sort of dining experience where the students get to cook for real people and real people get a great meal.
We do. We offer two restaurants. We have a fine dining restaurant called Waterleaf, and we have more of a casual restaurant called Wheat Cafe. They are both 100% student-run and open to the public.
I think that's wonderful. And we're seeing your amazing kitchen there, where you said you cooked your turkey in how much time, this turkey that you brought us here?
We did this turkey today in 40 minutes.
What?
With the use of an oven called the combination oven. So we try to give our students the most and best technology that they'll see in the industry.
Sure.
So a combi oven is a great way and a great tool to have in the kitchen.
So you have a real high-tech restaurant kitchen in there.
We do.
So people are getting wonderful experience.
Absolutely. So once we finish folding in this whipped cream, we would pour it into our mold, pop it in the refrigerator for overnight, or we could freeze it for a couple hours and it will be good to go.
Right. Well, that's the other wonderful thing. No more baking, right? You can bake this in advance and then you have your oven free.
Absolutely. The more oven space you have, typically that I find, the easier it's going to be.
Oh my goodness, yes.
So it is definitely a little low fat, right, with all this nice fresh cream, but it is the holidays and well worth it.
Right. People can get up and do a turkey trot or something on the day of Thanksgiving, right, so that we can eat that feast and make it wonderful. How long are the programs?
So we offer a certificate program, and we have a 2-year associate degree program in a wide variety of electives, ranging from baking and pastry to culinary arts to a food science degree. We also have a 6-room hotel that our hospitality students run, so we have a degree in hospitality management as well.
Oh, that's great. And then you can really specialize.
Correct.
All right.
Absolutely.
That works out perfectly. And are you open on Thanksgiving for people who don't want to cook at home, or no, everyone's going home to their family?
Everyone's going home to their family.
All right.
We are not open for Thanksgiving, unfortunately. Our dining sequence will be ending in 2 weeks as the restaurant's closing and semester ends.
I see, right, because it's students.
Correct. But come the end of January, we'll be open Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays for dinner, and Wednesdays and Thursdays for lunch.
Oh, you have to check it out. It's wonderful. You can check out the college's Culinary and Hospitality Center on the Glen Ellyn campus at 425 Fawell Blvd, is that how you pronounce that? Or go to cod.edu and search Culinary for all program information. Or if you want to join their mailing list to get the dates of the spring 2020 student-run lunches and dinners, you can go there as well. We'll have links on our website to all of that, and then the recipes, step-by-step, full recipes that we made today on our website as well at WGNTV.com/midday. Thank you.
Thank you.
And happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.